Hello everyone and welcome to EagleEyeFX. So guys, I just want to share with you an update with you of this trade of volatility 75 trade. All right, and actually I gave out this setup on my free Telegram channel. So this was the setup. So you can see volatility 75 on the 1 hour time frame. So I was actually looking to sell, and we had two QM patterns. We had a QM pattern here, and we had another QM pattern over here. So I was looking for confirmation at this level. Either I sell from this level once I get my confirmation, or I can sell from this level once I get my confirmation. And you can see here we had our divergence over there, and also here we had a divergence. So any place this market could have actually reversed from, then that would have been a powerful place to do what? To take this trade. So let me show you guys a step by step of how I was able to identify this trade. So definitely you can see that we were on a higher time frame. You can see that we had our resistance level over there, and of course we are looking for market to reverse in either that place or these levels over there. So these are all levels of reaction. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame, because that's where we took our trade. So you can see on the 1 hour time frame, like I rightly said, so this was our QM structure over here. So you can see our QM pattern over there. So of course I was looking to sell at this particular level over here. So once you draw your QM pattern, you can go ahead and mark your zone. And of course we had our QM pattern also at this level over here. So as you can see, either you can mark there, or we had our higher highs and our lower lows over there. So definitely this was also a place that we were looking to do what? We were looking to sell. So let me take this out and take that out. So you can see it's either the market reverse at this level or reverse on top over here. But I think on the 2 hour time frame, on the 2 hour time frame, there was a very strong momentum, as you can see. So it never gave me my confirmation. Of course, it never gave me my confirmation. So I knew that definitely this market could be tapping this level over here before I can start looking for my selling opportunities. And let's look at that. So what I did is that I just took this one out. Then now this became my QM level that I was looking forward to trade. You know, even you can adjust this to here, it doesn't matter. All right, so and then what happened? The market tapped that level, got our confirmation, and then it played out. Of course, yesterday was Sunday. I was not able to monitor the trade, played out, came back again. So even if you missed the first trade, you could have entered on the second trade. And then once it came again for the second time, then I entered again, and I've actually been holding this. And if you look at this, guys, you can see the reason why this market actually reacted at this level. It was actually respecting this support level on this trend line. So you can see the market moved, came back, but this time round it had momentum to break. So you can see break of structure and retest, and now I think this market could actually play out to that level over there. So these are all levels that, you know, we've set our you can actually set your take profit, or we've actually set our take profit. And of course, using our awesome oscillator, you can see here clearly what did we have here. We had our divergence over there. All right, and then also what do we have over here? You can see we had our divergence over there. So divergence act as a what? Divergence act as an extra confirmation or an extra confluence, you know, to tell you the levels, especially regular, because these are regular bearish divergences. They act as an extra confluence to tell you that the market is going to actually reverse from this level over here. And you can see the progress from our account. You can see I had taken some trade. If you can remember this account, we started from 20, we grew to 100 and something. I made a withdrawal around 40, remained 70 something. Then you can see how I re-entered at this level over here, and look at what happened. The market played out. So you can see already we are around $45 in profit. We want to see if actually, let me just adjust this. Remember, we said once the market moves into profit, what you want to do is we want to adjust your stop loss to what? You want to adjust your stop loss to break even now. So this trade is secured. So now we can hold this to this level on the down here. So you can see simply how to just trade QM patterns. Once you see your structure, you draw your zone and everything, you wait for the market to tap that level, you get your confirmation, then you enter, then you hold the trade. Then of course, once you're in profit, you have to adjust your stop loss to break even. Thank you so much guys for watching. I believe you've gotten a ton of value from this video, and I believe you're learning a lot. Remember to like, to subscribe to our channel, remember to follow us, and also to leave us a comment. This is EagleEyeFX signing out.